Hi guys, welcome back. Today we're going to get started on some addition and subtraction. Before we start, I brought some eggs. You know I love these eggs for some reason. We're just going to decide if the question, the equation inside is true, and give me a thumbs up, or false, and give me a thumbs down. Okay, let's actually start with the purple one. Alright, the purple one says 8 plus 2 equals 10. What do you think? True or false? Yeah, that's true. That's easy. 8 plus 2 equals 10. Yeah, 8, 9, 10. Definitely true. So we're going to say T for true for 8 plus 2 equals 10. True. All right, let's try the next one. Another purpley one. This is light purple. All right. 4 plus 2 equals 7. What do you think? True or false? 4 plus 2 equals 7. Yeah, you should have done thumbs down, definitely. 4, 5, 6. 4 plus 2 is 6, not 7. So we're going to give that an F for false. Good job. All right, try the next one. Last one. We only have 3 today. Ooh, tricky one. And sometimes we see these, so you have to know how to do them. Look at that one. 3 plus 1 equals 2 plus 2. Never seen one like that before, huh? What do you think? True or false? We're going to do it on the board and work through it and figure it out. It has to do with that equal sign. Yeah, let's look. 3 plus 1 equals 2 plus 2. Here's the thing about the equal sign. The equal sign is kind of like a balance beam. It has to be true on both sides, have to have the same number for it to be equal. So, the trick to these questions is to figure out how much this is and to figure out how much this is and see if they're equal, if they balance. Okay? So let's see. What is 3 plus 1? Yeah, 4. 3, 4. Easy, right? So this one is 4. We're going to circle around it. 4 equals, and then we have to figure out how much this one is. 2 plus 2 is 4, and you know that too. So here's the real equation. Is 4 equal to 4? Is 4 the same as 4? Yeah, if you have 4 on this side and 4 on this side, they would be equal, balanced. Okay, so you have to think of the equal sign as a balance. And yes, 4 equals 4. So we say true, it's true. Let's do one more like this, because sometimes kids get this simple question wrong because they don't know about the equal sign. How about this one? What do you think? Some kids think I'm just doing my math problem wrong. But that's not what it's asking. It's asking 5 equals 5. Is 5 the same as 5? Yeah, if you have 5 pennies on this side and 5 pennies on this side, it's going to be equal and balanced. So yes, that would be true. 5 does equal 5. 5 is the same as 5. Does that make sense? All right, so when you see those equations, don't get tricked. Just think of the equal sign as a balance. All right, you ready? Let's get started with the story problem. This one is about Watundra. It says, Watundra, she was kind of doing like Lucas was doing and counting cars because we're kind of bored, aren't we? Yeah. So she was counting cars. She counted the cars going past her house. She counted 4 red ones. So I'm going to write down 4. Plus 5 black ones. And then 6 white ones. That's a lot of cars going down her street. So how many cars did she see in all? Now when I hear all, yeah, you're going to add them together, aren't you? All right, so the equation was 4 cars plus 5 cars plus 6 cars. This is that adding 3 additives that we've done so many times, adding 3 numbers. All right, so you know what to do. All right, some kids just like to start with the first part of the story, which is fine. How much is 5 and 4? Yeah, you should know that super quick. If you don't, you have to add it. 5, and 4 more. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. But hopefully you're going to know those addition facts faster now. Alright, so you have 9, but we're not finished because you have to do that 6 more. 9 plus 6 more. What is 9 plus 6 more? Yeah, 15. I agree. Alright. Now, usually I say I like to find 10s, but there are no 10s here. But you could do it the other way too. Maybe you like this one better. Is that okay? Yeah. Oh, I do see a 10. The circle? I wasn't thinking. Do you see any way to make 10? Yeah, so do I. I forgot. 4 and 6 make a 10. That's going to be super easy because 10 plus 5 more is 15. I didn't even have to write that down, right? I could just do 10 and 5 more, and I know that's 15. Good job. All right, erase this pretty quick. All right, now if you do a picture or a different way, make sure you send me a picture, a photo, so I know how you're doing it, okay? Let's see, we have one more question, I believe. Oh yeah, a fact family. Now a fact family has 3 numbers in it. Our 3 numbers, and I'm going to make a triangle for you. Because I like to make the 2 little parts at the bottom and the biggest number at the top. So the numbers are 2, 7, and 9 in this fact family. 2, 7, and 9. So remember, in a fact family, you can only use these numbers. It has to be true. And you do 2 adding and 2 subtracting. So the best way to start is to start with the 2 little parts to do your adding sentences, right? So you could do 2 plus 7 equals how much? 9. Yeah, because you can't use anything else. You can only use these 3 numbers. So I would do, 2 and 7 more is 9. Good. And of course you can do the turnaround fact. The turnaround fact means you can, instead of just doing 2 and 7, you can flip it around and do 7 first. 7 plus 2 also equals 9. See? 7, 8, 9. Hey, there's a joke about that. Why was 7 afraid of 9? Or 2 afraid of 9? Something like that. Because 7, 8, 9? I don't know. And there's a joke in there somewhere. Alright, you ready? We have the adding, now we have to do the subtracting. When you do the subtracting, you have to start with how many you have all together, the biggest number. Yeah, the greatest number is 9. So you have 9. Do you want to take away the 2, or do you want to take away the 7 first? It's up to you. Alright, we'll take away the 2 first, because it's right there. Good, 9 minus 2, so 9, go back 2 spots. 9, 8, 7. Okay, 7 is the answer. All right, let's do another subtraction. Remember, you got to start with the biggest. What you have, the whole thing. We already took 2 away, so now it's our turn to take 7 away. All right, so if you have 9 fingers and you take 7 of them away, let's subtract 7. How many are you going to have left? Yeah, you only have 1 number left, 2. Good job. Now, sometimes I see stuff like this. You tell me what's wrong with this one. What do you think? 2 minus 9 equals 7. What do you think? No, because if you have 2 M&Ms or 2 pennies, can you take 9 away? No, so that wouldn't be in this fact family. So even though it has the 3 numbers, it doesn't make any sense. So be careful. Sometimes I see that. So you got to be careful. They have to be true, even though they have those 3 numbers. All right, if you're following along with our packets, there's an adding story problem page. There's a true and false page. Yeah, and it says that, I think, color the gumballs that are true. And you're trying to get to the gumball path. That'll be fun. True or false, I like those. And then, of course, some fact families. Okay? So there's 3 pages in there that you could be working on if you're following along with the Moffett Girls packet, home packet. Okay? If not, make sure you go on MobyMax. Maybe you could do that anyway. Go on MobyMax, go on Starfall. There's lots of math games that you can do. Prodigy. A lot of them are free right now. So go on something. and keep learning.